Hello, this is Joan of Art, and for our Ilonggo words today, let's talk about tastes or sabor. The 5 basic tastes are sweetness, sourness, saltiness, bitterness, and savoriness. For sweetness, it's called tam-is, and the adjective sweet is matamis, as in matamis ngayuhom, sweet smile. Saltiness is asin or salt. The adjective for that is maasin or salty. Parat is even saltier than salty. So if someone says parat, it's really salty to the point of an unpleasant kind of saltiness. Sourness is aslom, and the adjective for that is maaslom or kaaslom. Ka meaning very sour, kaaslom, as in kaaslom nga guya if it's frowning. Bitterness is also an unpleasant taste. It's called pait in Ilonggo, and the adjective for that is mapait, bitter, as in mapait nga kinabuhi, a bitter life. Not for me. Anyway, umami or savoriness is nanam in Ilonggo. For me, it's a beautiful word that you can almost relish the taste of nanam. And saboroso, if it's full of flavor, it's very tasty. Tastelessness is lasay, having no taste at all. So it's malasay as an adjective, tasteless. So those are the 5 basic tastes and the no taste. Of course, there are other tastes like kahang, which is hot. If you eat chili, that's kahang. Karhat. Karhat is another kind of taste that I haven't found an English equivalent yet. It's somewhere between, it's stinging, it's an unpleasant taste, it's kind of hot, salty hot, especially if you eat pineapple that is not sweet, mango that is not sweet, unpleasant and hot and stingy. That's karhat. See you once again in our next video. I hope you learned something new again. So please like, share, and subscribe. This is Joan of Art. Bye for now.